Hello guys, here is I have Oneplus Nord 20 5G. Screen is cracked and it's not show up nothing. When you plug in on charge, it's make noise. Here just make noise. So, but I don't see nothing. So I'm gonna replace the whole LCD, and I'm gonna show you how to replace that. There is two screen on market. One is with the frame, one is without the frame. So I'm gonna replace the without frame one, and it's easy to fix it. Now we're gonna open the back, apply some heat on top. With this we just pop out, it doesn't sticky, so we just use the open tools. It's not a very hard glue. Apply some more heat. Now just to slide down. Yes, it's come out. Now you're gonna clean the glue. And remove the all screw. Now you're gonna remove the SIM card and remove the back panel. We just pop out. There is some lock, so just remove the lock. It's come out easily. And there is another screw I forgot to remove. You have to remove that one. Yes, now come out easily. Keep it on side. Now you're gonna remove the battery connection. Yes, it's the battery connection. And now you're gonna remove the screen connection. Is on bottom side. Here it is. So we don't need to disconnect all connection. We just need to disconnect only battery and screen connection. You see there is only one connection on bottom. So we're gonna test it the screen, make sure it's working fine before install with the glue. Connect the screen. Now put it back battery and turning on the phone. The finger just turn on. The left finger just turn on the phone and it's turning on. And its brightness is low because it's low charge. Now I'm gonna check the screen is working, touch is working properly, is working. Yes, it's working nice. So now we're gonna disconnect the battery again. Disconnect the battery and remove the screen. Now we're gonna remove the broken screen. put some tape on top of the camera. We don't want to make damage the camera lens. Add some heat. So easy to remove the broken glass. This corner will just pop out. It's not very hard glue, so we don't need it that much heat. You see, it's come out easily. It's already come out. Some phone has a crazy glue, some phone doesn't have. This one is glue is not that hard. And with the frame screen, we have to remove all connection, motherboard, camera, every charging port, everything we have to remove. But without frame one is easy, just only one connector, screen connection, that's it on bottom side. We just remove the screen now, broken one. Now we have to clean all side, make sure there is no broken glass and previous glue. If it's broken glass or previous glue in there, new screen is not gonna be sticky good. It might be sometime if it's broken glass, if we put it, if we press the screen, this might be cracked. So better we have to clean nicely. You just clean with the brush, make sure there is no broken glass inside also. There is one cover top of the speaker, so that cover is save the speaker. It doesn't doesn't go inside. We have to remove that one from previous screen and put it on the frame. Is right here, top of the speaker. Save the dust, that thing. Now you're gonna apply the glue nicely and wait like 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes is done. Now we're gonna install the new screen. First we're gonna put it on screen connection on bottom side, then slowly we just install the screen. Make sure it's on center and connect the screen. And that's it, is connected. Now you're gonna connect the battery connection. And let me turn on the phone. Make sure it's working, because glue still is not dry. So if it's something wrong, we can remove it screen again. It's work fine. Now we're gonna install the back panel. Remove this tape. Yeah, all connection is good. Now we're gonna install the back panel. The top side, just press it down. Top of the screen there is white glue on it. We're gonna clean it later on. Now we're gonna install the SIM card. Now we're gonna put it back all screw. We are done with the screw. Now we're gonna clean the previous glue tape from back cover and apply some glue there Wait 2 minutes. 2 minutes is done. So now we're gonna add the back cover. Make sure it's on center. Yes, it's looking good. Now you're gonna clip it on 3-4 hour. It's better to keep to 3 hour or 4 hour. After 3 hour, we're gonna remove it now and clean the glue on side. Try again the screen. It looks good. Now we're gonna clean the phone with the alcohol. That's all right now. Let me know how you like this video. Thank you for watching.